Good morning, learners. Computer Science Term 1 MCQs. First one, Python identifier are case sensitive. Yes, it is right. Uh, these are the case sensitive. Suppose if you want to write true, so T should be capital and false, it should be capital. So it's depend on case. So both are the right answer, false and true. So these are the keywords. And the second one, which of the following is an invalid identifier? So this is the right identifier, this is the right, and this is the, but we cannot start number. So this is the wrong. Question number third, the tiny unit, the tiny individual unit in Python program is known as tokens. So smallest program, yeah, unit जिसको हम बोलते हैं, it's called a tokens. Which of the following is not a token? Identifier, literal, operator. These are the tokens, but comment is not a token. So right answer is that comments. Question number 5. Which of the following are predefined or reserved words that convey a special meaning in programming language? So keywords having the special meaning in programming language. Now keyword is the answer. The different names given to different parts of a program is known as identifiers. Question number 7. Which of the following literal must terminate in one line? Single line strings literal must be terminated in one line. To include non-graphic characters in Python. Question number 8. Non-graphic contains characters in Python. Which of the following is used? Escaped character sequence is the right answer. Question number 9. The octal literal and hexadecimal literals start with which of the following symbol respectively? So this is the octal one and this is the hexa one. So right answer this one. Question number 10. Which of the following literal has either true or false? So Boolean is the literal always written true or false. Question number 11. Which of the following are symbol used for computation or logical comparison in a program? So we are using operators, different type and or not, arithmetic, logicals. So these are the operators. Answer. Now question number 12. Which of the following is correct statement to computer square of a variable x in Python? So if you have to add double star x of, we count the power of this value. So this is the right answer. Now question number 13. If you want to display the values without decimal place after division, so which of the following symbol is used? So without display of element, we are using floor division. That is the right answer. And which of the is a correct statement? X, Y, Z, 10, 100, 1000 is the correct. Without comma, we cannot include multiple variables. Now, question number 15. Which of the following are symbols used in a programming language to organize statement structures and indicate the rhythm of the program? So, punctuators is the right answer of this, indicate the punctuality of write the programs. Okay. Now in Python, the single line comment start. You always know hash is the single line comment and triple quote is the multi-line comment. In Python, the multi-line comment start with the triple quote. This is the, we can write over here of this one. So this one is the multi-line comment, triple quote. Okay. Okay. Now question number 18. Are individual readable information to clarify the statement in Python. So comment is the statement we can clarify our code. So right answer is that comment. Which of the following is a group of statement which are part of another statement of functions? So block is the part of another statement of functions. So right answer is that block. 20. Question number 20. All statements inside a block are intended at the same level. Yes, everything should be intended in Python, otherwise it will provide the error. by default the input function returns always by default input function return string function string value. And you know that read line in function of read line in file handling always return string as a list. If a function doesn't return a value, that when if a function does not return a value, then what value will be returned by Python in a function? So none will be returned as a functions variable. The output of D is equals to A plus B mod C is. So if A is equals to 12, B 5 and C 3, so what will be the output of this one? So just check it, solve this equation and find out the answer. Answer it will be 14. Now evaluate X mod Y floor division X. If X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 4. So answer is that just solve it this answer and then you find the value. So X is equals to 5 and Y equals to 4. So now I'm trying to or idle is here and this is not working over here. So answer is that by default X mod Y. So it will be written 1 or 0. So X mod 5, X is to 5, Y is equals to 4. So it will return 1. Okay. So which of these arithmetic operators will evaluate first? So arithmetic operator according to precedence will be follow as bracket, you know, BODMAS, BODMS, bracket of division. Okay, so bracket of division, multiply and addition and subtraction. So according to BODMAS, we'll have to follow. So bracket of division. So floor division, it will be a. So square is the answer of this word and mod the answer of this one. So you can check according to BODMAS, BODMOS, BODMAS. So first one, bracket of division, multiply, addition and subtraction. Just find out the answer of this, which one is the right. Which of these relational operator has highest operator precedence? So less than is the highest operator precedence is having. Which of the following logical operator will evaluate first? So not operators are evaluate first. And how A greater than, question number 28, how A greater than B greater than C will be interpreted by Python. So we are using A greater than B and A greater than C. So this is the conditions of logical terms, and we will see the answer of this one. Now question number 29, which of the following statement is correct for an operator? So Python only evaluate the second argument if the first one is true. Python कब करता है जब first argument true होगा, then evaluate the second one. Question number 30, which of the following forces and expressions to be converted into specific type? So explicit typecasting over here and converted the specific type. Now are stored as individual characters in contiguous locations with a two-way index for each location. So string is the answer of this one. And what is the output of -5 and +5? So it will be 55 because both are value are a string. So a string cannot divide and set, only perform the 5 + 5, 55. Okay, this is the dash hyphen symbol. So 5 + 5 both are the string, so it will be written 55. If n is equals to hello and user wants to assign n of the 0 of f, so what will be the result? It's not allowed in Python to assign a value to individual characters using index. Okay. Now, which of the following operator, question number 34, which of the following operator can be used as a replication operator? So asterisk symbol, we know that as a replicator for string. Which point can be considered as a difference between string and list? Mutability, show the string and because list is not mutable, but string always mutable. In list slicing, the start and stop can be given beyond limits if it is then. So slicing start and stop can be given. So एक limit आ जाती है तो क्या होगा? Return element falling between specified start and stop values. Now in list slicing, negative index refer to the last element. Yes, right. Which of the following operator cannot use with string? String के साथ कौन सा operator use नहीं होता है? Divisor will not be used via string. Okay, Mr. Hatvi is working on a string program. She wants to display last 4 characters of a string object name. So which of the following is statement is true? So last 4 characters will be shown according to this one. Start and colon. -4 colon. The append method adds an element as index last. Insert method add the element specific position. Append and extend method both are the at the index at the last of the element. Which of the following statement is true for extend? Add multiple element at last. Which the del statement do which of the following tasks? Delete second and third element from the list. So 1:3, that means 1 and 2. So and 3. So it will be deleted. Indexing 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. So delete second and third element from the list. If list is goes to 11, question number 43, list 11, 22, 33, 44, then output of print len 1 will be answer is that 4. 1, 2, 3 len is 4. So now which of the question number 44, which of the following method is used to delete element from the list? Pop method delete the element of the list. So that is the answer. Element we have to delete, so we are using pop. If remove is here, we can also use, but this is the pop. What will be the output of the following code? Text is equals to term 1, print text multiply by 2. So term 1 2 times print over term 1 and term 1. Okay, that is the right. This is a replicator. If we are using numbers, that it will be multiply, and if we are using along with string text, so it will be replicate. Now question number 46, what will be the output of this code? Text sqp2021. So if text dot is alnum true assigned to true, so print term 1 sample paper is out now, else term is not out till now. So answer is term 1 sample paper is out now if condition is true. And then okay, now question number 47, what will be the output of the following statement? Text is goes to term 1 dot sample paper 2000 inches, print text dot capitalize. So term 1 sample paper 2021 answer is there. Okay, so T is the small and capitalize each word, so T will be a capital. Now question number 48, which of the following statement prints out as a B? So now KR 66 because 65 is 065 is a binary number and it will return small s. So 065 value is equals to this one. So after that 066 B, 066 3, okay, that manner it will be going on. So we are using 66, that means answer is B. Okay, question number 66, which of the following statement is are correct? Tuple can have a, so question number C is the right answer. Tuple can have various types of element. Now last question of this value, so we are using which of the following statement create a tuple? So T is equals to 1 2 3 4, we can create tuple. Either we can create tuple is equals to that one manner, also 1 comma this is also tuple. Okay, so both are the manner is a tuple, and but this is not a tuple. Okay, if we are using that one, if are using 1 2 3 yeah 1, so this is not a tuple. So these manner to know. So both the manner should be a tuple. And today, thank you for this video and watch. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye. See you.